Hello, Junior Chefs, and welcome to Junior's Kitchen. Christmas is coming, so today we will bake some Christmas cookies. Gingerbread, Linzer Cookies, and cinnamon stars. The ingredients we need are flour, molasses, brown sugar, almonds, butter, eggs, and lemon. Cinnamon, ground ginger, cloves, nutmeg, vanilla sugar, icing sugar, marmalade, salt, and baking soda. Let's make some cookie doughs. First the gingerbread because the dough needs to chill a while. Crush the cloves and grate the nutmeg. Sift the dry ingredients into a bowl. And whisk. Molasses in. Butter and egg in the mixer. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Knead until combined. Wrap the dough in plastic foil and leave in the fridge for minimum 2 hours. Now the dough for Linzer cookies. Flour, powdered sugar, almonds, vanilla sugar, cinnamon and salt into the bowl. Whisk. Separate 2 eggs. Grate some lemon zest. Now the egg yolks into the bowl. In the fridge for 30 minutes. Third and finally, cinnamon stars. Salt, cinnamon, icing sugar and almonds into the bowl. Add the egg whites that we saved. In the fridge for 30 minutes. We prepare the icing. Separate 2 eggs. Egg whites and a pinch of salt into the mixer. Add the icing into the mixer. The icing is ready. All the doughs are cool now. Preheat the oven. We roll out the dough. We use the baking paper and the icing sugar, then it's easier. We cut out the cookies. Into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. The remaining dough you can knead and make more cookies. Now the gingerbread. Brush the icing on top. In the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Finally, cinnamon stars. A 150 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Put some marmalade on the Linzer cookies. All the cookies are ready. We can plate. Enjoy the cookies. Merry Christmas everyone and see you soon. Goodbye.